Welcome to our kitchen. Today we're exploring essential cooking techniques to help you lower your cholesterol levels and promote heart health. Whether you're managing cholesterol or simply aiming for a healthier lifestyle, these tips will guide you toward delicious and nutritious meals. So let's dive in. Before we delve into the kitchen, let's understand some fundamental techniques to make your meals cholesterol-friendly. Select healthy fats. Steer clear of saturated and trans fats, which are present in processed foods and animal products, and choose unsaturated fats, such as those found in nuts, seeds, avocados, and olive oil. Adopt a plant-based diet. Increase your intake of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, and nuts. These foods have a high fiber content and are naturally low in cholesterol, which helps lower LDL cholesterol levels. Use wise cooking techniques. Instead of frying, try baking, steaming, grilling, or poaching your meal. These techniques let you keep the natural flavors and nutrients of your ingredients while lowering the need for extra fats. Focus on lean proteins. Choose lean cuts of meat, poultry without skin, and fish rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Alternatively, explore plant-based protein sources like tofu, tempeh, beans, and lentils. Limit added sugars and salt. Excess sugar and salt intake can elevate cholesterol levels and contribute to heart disease. Opt for natural sweeteners like honey or maple syrup, and use herbs, spices, and citrus juices to enhance flavor without relying on salt. A word of caution: before making significant changes to your diet, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are on medication. If you like what you've seen thus far, please click the like and subscribe buttons and the bell notification. Thank you for viewing. Now that we've covered the basics, let's explore how these techniques translate into everyday cooking. One of the simplest ways to lower cholesterol in your meals is by making smart ingredient substitutions. Let's take a look at some common swaps. Instead of butter, use mashed avocado or hummus as a spread. Replace creamy sauces with pureed vegetables or Greek yogurt. Substitute refined grains with whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, or whole wheat pasta. Swap out high-fat meats for leaner options like skinless poultry or tofu. Use herbs, spices, and citrus zest to add flavor without adding extra salt. By making these small but impactful changes, you can significantly reduce the cholesterol content of your meals without sacrificing taste or satisfaction. Mindful meal planning is another useful technique for controlling cholesterol. Here are some pointers to remember. Plan your meals around plant-based foods with vegetables, fruits, legumes, and whole grains taking center stage. Incorporate fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, or trout into your diet at least twice a week to benefit from their omega-3 fatty acids. Experiment with meatless meals by exploring vegetarian or vegan recipes that feature protein-rich ingredients like beans, lentils, tofu, or tempeh. Keep portion sizes in check to avoid overeating, which can lead to weight gain and negatively impact cholesterol levels. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day, as adequate hydration supports overall health and helps maintain healthy cholesterol levels. Long-term heart health can be sustained by eating a balanced, nutrient-dense diet that you carefully plan and include a range of cholesterol-friendly foods in. And there you have it. By implementing these cooking techniques and mindful strategies, you can take proactive steps toward managing your cholesterol and promoting heart health. Remember, small changes in the kitchen can lead to significant improvements in your overall well-being. Cheers to delicious and heart-healthy cooking. If you're finding this information helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more health and nutrition insights.